I'm a college student and I don't take fondly upon people like just playing with my money and my time. So I got a 2x6 closure with a quick weave, and the color was like a 4, 27, and 613. So I'll take accountability on this part. The bundles that I got were not the best quality. She gets to the styling part, I hear, oh my god, the hair is burning. So I'm like, what are you talking about? So she was like, oh my god, this is synthetic hair and it's burning and blah blah blah, and I don't know what to do with that. So for my safety, I went ahead, paid the girl, and got up out of there. But I texted her, and our conversation or lack of thereof, like, I just really wasn't pleased about, and I'm about to put it all after this. People just are so money hungry that they want your money and they don't really want to be a hairstylist. They just want the money. You know what I'm saying?
Let's pause right there because this situation highlights something that happens a lot in the beauty industry: a breakdown in communication, professionalism, and client care. In this case, the client booked a hairstyle for a concert. She requested a 2x6 closure, quick weave with specific colors for the bundles. She also acknowledged that the bundles she purchased were not the best quality. When she arrived at the appointment, she told the stylist that the bundles might be skimpy and possibly difficult to work with. The stylist looked at the hair and said it would be fine and that she could still complete the service. However, once the styling process began, the stylist discovered that the hair appeared to be synthetic instead of human hair, which meant it could not be styled with heat the way the client expected. At that moment, a professional stylist should pause the service and discuss options with the client. Instead, the stylist continued working through the service while struggling with the hair quality. Eventually, the style was finished, but the results were not what the client expected. The cut was uneven, the lace was covered with dark spray that didn't match the hair color, and the overall look appeared rushed. Even though the client wasn't satisfied, she paid the $160 service fee because the appointment took place in the stylist's home, and she did not feel comfortable refusing payment in that environment. After leaving, the client reached out to the stylist to discuss the issue, but she felt that the response she received was unprofessional and lacked accountability. Later, she also shared a second experience with a makeup artist who accepted payment for a service but did not respond when she asked for the appointment address. Both situations left the client feeling that her time, money, and trust were not respected. Now, let's talk about how situations like this should be handled from a professional hairstylist perspective. First, product verification. Before beginning any service, stylists should confirm the quality and type of hair being used. If the hair is synthetic or low quality and cannot handle heat styling, the stylist should explain that clearly and discuss alternative styles before continuing. Second, client communication. If a product or bundle is not workable, a stylist should pause and present options such as changing the style, adjusting the look, recommending different hair, or stopping the service if necessary. Communication protects both the stylist and the client. Third, professional environment. Many stylists work from home, but professionalism still matters. Clients should feel safe, comfortable, and confident about the service they're receiving. That includes clear policies, honest conversations, and respectful problem solving. Fourth, booking and payment transparency. For beauty professionals, appointments should include confirmation of the booking, clear communication about time and location, reliable responses before the appointment professional. Clients should never be left wondering if their appointment will happen. If this breakdown helped you understand salon professionalism and client care better, make sure you like and subscribe for more real salon education. And follow Stylist Factory as we produce the century's best hairstyles.